Hello everyone, so this is the recording of Xelectron projector, the screencast version, not the Android version, and the audio seems to be pretty good. Let me know if you want me to record the same video in the night. The recording is the screen is just the wall, so it may not be as good, but if I had put a screen in the night, it would have been really good, very crystal clear. Hi guys, so as you can see, this is being recorded during daytime and a lot of light coming from the windows. Although the curtains are closed, still there is quite a lot of amount of light coming from the window. So you can compare the laptop screen and the projector screen. It's fairly big, it's almost completely covered my whole wall, but the quality is very good, and in the night it's even better.